What's up, everyone? So I'm gonna be I'm changing my I had a custom suede that I made a year ago, and I like it. I love it, but I feel like I don't know. I just I like it, but I love shift knobs, but I'm gonna put in a new one. Not a new one, but it came from my Evo, and I got a new one for my Evo. So this is my DC Sport knob. It's very heavy, and case adapter. So this is the only way that I can get to make my Abarth knob to work. I don't think a lot of company makes one. I do have an aftermarket one for Abarth, but I don't like the design. It's very gaudy, so it has chrome and all that stuff. But I'm gonna try this out, see how it is. And first thing we have to do is pop this little thing right over here. I don't know if I can do this without scratching the plastic piece. All right, let's try it. All right, there we go. There we go. So I'm able to pop it without scuffing anything. So I use my little flat head, and then I'm gonna remove that. I don't know, is that an 8mm or a 10mm? We'll find out. Let's see. Yeah, it's a 10mm. So let's take that out. Okay. That's off, and then I guess we'll have to remove the little clips on the bottom of this. I'll be right back. I need my two hands. So that was easy. So this was held on by my zip tie a while back, because I put a zip tie on this rubber piece right here. See how this is a real suede leather. It's not Alcantara. So I just don't like that discoloration of my dirt or whatever it may be, but time to change it. Actually, guys, this is really good for sweaty hands. That's why I made a suede on it, because my hands sweat. So we're gonna try to put this on and see how it looks. It's nicely weighted. Yep. So quite happy with it. That's how it looks like. And it took about 2 minutes literally put it on. So maybe 5 minutes or so. I actually stretched the leather right here. So basically pull this up, and then underneath it I did some rigging on it. I put some putty and then some tape and a zip tie to hold the putty up to hold this piece right here. So I'm gonna put everything back just like that, and that's it. So now everything is the way it should. Everything is the way it should be. So let's see here. The height, it's covered. So when you shift it, see, it's covered. Not bad for no money spent. Thanks for watching, and sub if you can. Until next time, thanks for watching, everyone. God bless. Bye.